I sit with my furter wrapped in a napkin, as Wings plays in the background. Paul's voice reminds me of how some people are better off by themselves, or with a different crowd, a topic which I've been pondering all too often lately. This triggers a relapse of my thoughts, which I get so deep into that Simone is already halfway through a discussion I don't remember being started. The sound of Wings has pulled me out of the conversation about how hard Truman's class is and how he intentionally makes us miserable into one that required more of my attention to comprehend, apparently.
What? I was just saying how you seem to be out of it lately. Really?
I'm not surprised by the comment, only surprised that I had been caught.
What do you mean?
I add, as if it's some seal of genuineness.
You've just been so distant.
There is no other response, other than, oh. I always thought I was blessed that I've never been a people person. It's not happening for like a year, but it feels like it's next week. We're all gonna leave here. We're all gonna go our own ways and head off to college.
So, where are you guys thinking of going to college?
It is way too early to think about that.
Not really. We gotta start looking around, you know.
I guess I'll probably just stay in the state, somewhere close.
I'm not. Farther the better.
That'd be expensive.
Aren't you gonna miss everyone?
I don't know.
Hey, we're thinking of hanging out. You wanna come?
Where?
My place.
Then what are we gonna do?
I don't know. I guess we'll figure out when we get there.
I guess. Wait, what time?
In about an hour?
I don't know. Let me see if I can.
Ellis, come on. We know you have a car and nothing to do.
You know we're right.
Fine.
Alright, everybody. Same rules as always. Heads we watch horror, tails we watch rom-com.
I can't believe you got me to do this.
I know, right? Thinks us you're a chick flick nut.
I only like them out of irony.
I don't think we should be held responsible. You're probably gonna like him anyway.
Hence, we are to blame because we did show her. Ellis wouldn't know if she liked him or not if we hadn't shown him.
Look at you using the word heads. I don't even like rom-coms.
Oh, hush. Who's gonna flip it?
Somebody do it.
Great. You do it.
This is a nickel.
Just do it.
Fine. Ah, crap.
A rom-com it is.
Why can't we ever just watch a comedy?
You know why you don't like rom-coms?
Because they're stupid?
Because you're not in touch with your emotions. I mean, you feel things, but you don't feel things.
You know, you should be like Ren and get a thesaurus.
I mean, you just don't get emotional. You don't get attached.
You ever wonder if you're too attached? Poor Simone. She's gonna be so lost. Unlike people like me. People like me are just fine in the world. No tethers to attach us to trivial things. I've always been looking for something big. My life has never been enough. And soon, that will change.
Hey, what you doing down here?
Thinking.
About what?
Nothing. Really like this place.
Yeah, it's nice.
I think I'm gonna miss it. Never really thought about it till till you leave.
You're leaving?
Eventually.
So where are you going?
I don't know yet. Still haven't figured that out.
For college or?
Yep.
For a second I thought you were moving or something.
Aren't we all? I mean, I thought that was the case. So, what are you thinking of doing for college?
I don't know yet. Still figuring that out.
In-state, out-of-state.
Well, whatever's easiest.
I am leaving. No doubt.
Really? Why?
There's too much I'd miss out on if I didn't. Do you really want to stay here your whole life?
I guess I never really thought about it. I haven't had to till now.
There's too much to see. So much I want to do. Ever since I was a little kid, I feared the day I would say goodbye to my parents. The day I'd leave home. It was always inevitable, but it never felt like it was going to happen. Until now.
Ellis, hey.
Hey Reed, what are you doing here?
You're right. This is a nice park. I hardly see you anymore.
Yeah, I guess we don't have as many classes together anymore. Doesn't it feel like we were just here?
Right. Time goes so fast. So where are you going? Last time I was here, you told me you were going out of state. Where are you going?
Well, I've applied a few places. Just depends on where I get in.
Well, if you got into your top choice, where are you going?
New York.
Ooh, New York. Really?
Yep.
That's exciting.
Yeah, I guess. Now I'd have to say goodbye to my friends, which I never expected to dread for some reason. I realized that people don't visit their friends. People always visit their family when they go to college, but their friends, I knew our future together was unclear.
Isn't that what you wanted?
It is, it's just scary.
Believe me, it's scary for all of us.
So, where are you going?
Still the Twin Cities. That's gonna be a whole different story. I bet you're gonna spend this next year living up the Minnesotan life.
Oh god, no.
It's your last year.
Okay, I tried walleye once and I didn't like it, alright? For a moment, I wondered how Paul felt, how hard it was for him to make the decision to leave. But mine was inevitable, and in that moment, I felt like I did when I last heard the sound of wings.